When folks walk in the door at Charlotte Dental Arts, I want them to experience an environment that is welcoming, all about technology, and they realize very, very quickly that we're different than any other dental practice they've been in.
I think Dr. Porter's office and the rest of his staff, I think they create an atmosphere of caring, the basic caring and a real authenticity of wanting you to be healthy and feel good about what's in your mouth.
What sets Dr. Porter apart from other dentists is his patient care. His bedside manner is very different than any other dentist I've seen in the past. He's very sensitive to the needs of patients. He understands anxiety patients like myself, so he has that care and knowledge to be able to explain to me the work that needs to be done in a way that doesn't make me feel so stressed out and anxious about the treatment that I need.
Dr. Porter took one look at me and we consulted, and he said, I know that I can make a huge transformation for you. And I knew that he could. What Dr. Porter did for me changed my life.
The reason we keep coming back is that staff, the gals that are sitting behind those desks, the technicians, the nurses, the attendant, all of them. But obviously he trains them very well.
The technology here at Charlotte Dental Arts absolutely makes your experience as a patient more pleasurable, more at ease, and I think overall more beneficial to me and my overall dental health.
From the very beginning, my children have come into Dr. Porter and they have never had a cavity. So I feel like that they've done a very good job educating my children on how to brush their teeth, how to take care of their teeth. And so I'm really proud of the fact that they've never got a cavity while seeing Dr. Porter.
Dr. Porter, it feels very comfortable. It's almost like when I walk in the door, it's like, hey, Chris. You know, it's that sort of feeling, and from not just Dr. Porter, but Laura, who works at the desk, is fantastic and always happy to see you, you know, that sort of thing. And it's been great.
Dentistry has to be perfect to last, and to have folks that you've been seeing for over 25 years and been watching them grow old with you, it's really neat. And it's satisfying to me to know that the stuff I do lasts for many, many, many years. It's probably the best investment they've made.